what a privilege and honor it is to be in the house of the Lord, to contemplate and be here in his presence. And when I see your children, my brothers and sisters, you, all of you, I get so excited because I think a little bit, I grew up in the Spanish Assemblies of God Church where it was totally in Spanish. And I always heard from the pastor that in heaven we were going to speak in Spanish. And I thought, oh my goodness, my world was open to all the beautiful languages and all you beautiful brothers and sisters that we're going to spend eternity with, worshiping and praising the Lord. And I thank you, and I thank you so much for your prayers for Amos and the calling that's upon his life, upon both our lives as we walk through life together, and want to give praise and glory to the Lord for that. Thank you for having us.